sketch.
Hi everyone! Today we're gonna draw a cute fall fox in a winter scarf. I'm gonna go ahead and start with a couple of tufts of hair on the side of his face. And then we're gonna draw a nice big kind of half circle up and around. We're gonna draw his left ear. Foxes have nice, big, alert ears, so we're gonna make him nice and cute. And then from here, I'm gonna skip a little bit of a space that'll make sense later for his right ear. And then we're just gonna finish the rest of his face here. Cute little tuft of hair on his right side. And then we're gonna finish his face here, making this a little bit more shallow. Oops. With his right ear, we're gonna go ahead and finish that off. Nice, big, alert fox ear. Now from here, we're gonna draw the inside of his ear. Give it a little space and a little shape. And then finish off his right ear here. Okay, with our fox about the middle of, a little bit lower than the middle of his face, we're gonna draw some cute little semicircles for his eyes to make him nice and happy. And then a nice, cute little fox nose. Kind of like an upside down triangle. With a nice, sly little fox smile. Okay, now we're gonna draw his scarf. We're gonna draw one line here where the scarf folds, and then go ahead and bring it all the way around. We finish here. I'm going to draw the end of his scarf. And a little lump here for the knot. Okay, for his body, we're going to make him nice and tufted and warm. So we're going to draw his chest. And then we'll go ahead and draw one front leg with his paw. And we'll bring his other front leg up and around about right here. Here, we'll draw his hind leg. We'll just have one showing in this picture. And then we'll go ahead and bring it up and around and connect his body right here. Now foxes have nice big bushy tails, so we're gonna go ahead and make our little guy with a nice big tail. There we go. Now let's go ahead and color him in. I'm gonna make my fox orange. And I'm going to leave parts of it white. So I'm only gonna color the top of his head orange, most of his tail, but I'm gonna go ahead and leave some tips white. His chest I'm gonna leave white too. And then we're gonna go ahead and speed up the video during the coloring portion, so you can feel free to pause if you need to. From here, I'm gonna take my pink marker and I'm gonna color the inside of his ears. I'm gonna go ahead and color my scarf red, but you can choose whatever color you want for your fox's scarf. Now I'm going to use my black marker to clean up the lines, and then I'm also going to use it to color in my fox's feet. There we have it, our cute, cozy fox in a nice little scarf. Please make sure to like and subscribe to follow along with more cute little drawings. Thank you, bye.